I sneeze every time someone lies, all of them are gonna think I have COVID.
Sis, I think someone hit your car.
What? What do you mean?
There's a dent. It must have been the neighbor.
Did you back into my car again?
What? No, I did not.
You're paying for it.
Oh, would you look at that? I'm gonna be late. Bye. Bailey, I have something to tell you.
Oh no. What?
You know that party Jason threw yesterday?
Yeah, I couldn't go. I had homework.
I caught your boyfriend cheating on you there.
Well, with who?
I don't know. I didn't see.
Tell me.
I didn't see who it was. I promise.
If you're not gonna tell me the truth, I'll find someone who will. Hey, babe, I have a question.
Yeah, what's up?
Did you cheat on me last night?
What? No, I would never.
Who was it?
It was your mom.